stopped out here at Animal Malone's compound. He wanted to try the bike out. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Got the animal bus back here going down. There he goes. Did you see the fear on my face?
I'd probably ate shit right there.
Here's the very first thing I had go wrong with my KP Mini 150, and it's partly due to my lack of paying attention, which you should do on every motorcycle. Did you see when I was riding around I kept hearing that sound? I looked and the dang, let me see if I can bring y'all over here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the bolts backed out of my sprocket and they're hitting my swing arm, so I'm gonna have to try to run them back in. So I guess I'm just gonna see if I can screw them back in and maybe call Etard. Hopefully he's got the toolbox in his truck when he's coming back down from taking the boys home. He can drop me off a wrench. I can snug it up, do a few wheelies, catch y'all some clips, and then go home and rebuild the bike again. Be sure to bring your toolbox to the lot. Bring your tools. Don't be a bubs. Bring your tools. E-Tart Adventures showing up for the win with the tool set so we can get the bike back on the road again. What's up? You got the tools? Yes. My boy comes through to save the day with the tool set. Thank goodness. So we can get these bolts back in and probably hit the lot for a little bit longer, then go home and see what's wrong with the bike. So the threads seem to be intact inside the wheel. So they just backed out enough to rub against the swing arm, which is a long ways. I should have noticed that. On any kind of bike, you need to do proper, regular bolt checks and maintenance. I should have noticed that a long time ago, but I didn't. Might be getting run off. Alright, stunt lot 2.0 shut down for a while, and we'll have to make an appearance later. Come out and run us off. It's part of it. Let's just be respectful. Pack your stuff up, get out of here, and no harm done. Alright guys, that was fun. Gotta get the bike home, tighten up that sprocket. Bolts are trying to back out a little bit more. It needs some Loctite in it. And I'll probably take the back wheel off of it, take everything apart, check everything out, the rubber bushings in there, do an evaluation of what parts need to be replaced, call up my people, get some parts, and get back out here and do it for you guys.